out, the first thing I want you to do is to go to google.com. Much easier if you do go to google.com incidentally, rather than your local Google Co UK or Google Co Canada or whatever. So google.com if you can. Now Google is quite well known for this very simple interface there. One button that you might not have noticed is this one here called More. And if we click on that, you can see we get some extra options. We get even more as well. But I want you to go to More and then select Blogs. And you see quite quickly, as we'd expect from Google, we get the new Google Blog Search beta. Great program this, allows you to search for blogs on your favourite topics. Now in this example we're going to look for flu. So I'm going to type flu in there. But we also need to do, we're going to search sites that are on Blogger, which is Blogspot. So we need to search for the words flu and Blogspot, because we only want Blogger, which is the Blogspot domain, actual sites. Now we want Google to search for the words flu and the word Blogspot, not just any site containing one or the other. So a little thing you can do in Google, you may or may not know this again, if you put an inverted commas at the beginning of a search, it will only return searches that include both of those words, so not one or the other. And quite often you get people saying they put something and they found millions and millions of links on Google for something like a series of words, but it's looking for sites with that word and that word and that word and so on. So here, by putting the inverted commas in first, it will only return websites that, or blogs in this case, that have got the words flu and Blogspot in. Okay, so on inverted commas, and I'm using flu as an example today. Let's search the blogs. And you can see here, if I just group a bit, we're looking at Google Blog Search, and we've got a whole series of blogs there. Okay, and what I want you to do is to choose dates, which is over on the left here. And we're going to start, in this case, I'm going to start at the beginning of, let's say, February, and then come up to today, which is the 18th of April. So we're searching for sites that are slightly older. Okay, we've got here then various sites that have come up. They're all on Blogspot, and all you need to do is to click on the green link here. Can you see that? That'll take us straight to the site. What we're looking for is the site still live. Well, yes, that one is. So we hit the back key, we go to the next one, the -flu Blogspot. We can see that one's live. That's no good to us. Go to this one, flu. A little bit longer, that one's certainly working. Again, just hitting the back key to come back each time. And this one, yeah, that one's live. Come down here, despite the flu, blogspot.com. Now then, here's one that's gone. So this is a site that we could actually resurrect. Now I'm going to come up here. I've got the Google toolbar here, and you can see the page rank of this site is 0. No good to us at all. For the sake of this example, I'm going to assume that's a page rank of 6 or something. All you need to do, you're ahead of me, aren't you? Let's go back. This is the site, despite the flu, despite-the-flu.blogspot.com. So there we are in a few seconds there. Click that, find that isn't there. So if you've got an account with Blogger, which is free, or if you haven't, go and get one. And if we had a good page rank on this site, all you have to do is go to Blogger, register that again, put some articles in there which we'll discuss in the third video, and there you are, a high page ranking site. Now I've done that in a few seconds, that's more by fluke than anything. It can take 15 minutes, it can take an hour. I'd allow an average of an hour, but to get a high page ranking site that quick is obviously an absolute bargain. Run through that again with you quickly though. The important bits, we're looking for sites over about the last month or two. That's quite useful because the page rank will still be shown for a month or two. And that obviously makes quite a difference. Search with the open inverted commas and the word that you're searching for, and the word Blogspot, because Blogspot is a site. Okay, on to the third video then.